everyone, it's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing this really cute updo half up half down hairstyle. I have these two little pieces here in the front. I have a nice sleek bun at the top, and then at the bottom we have our hair curled. So this is the hair tutorial for today. It's very easy. It's perfect for the summertime. It's something that's not really hot. You can like keep all your hair out of your face. I mean, except for these two little bangs right here. Your hair is up, and then if you don't want this like all in your neck, you can just push it to the back and then just have all your hair off to the back. So it's very light and airy. This wig is very light and airy. It's amazing. Absolutely love it. So the company that sent me this wig and the company that is sponsoring today's video is Chantiche lace wigs. They are a lace wig company and they are amazing, you guys. I'm just gonna tell you this, I did not even bleach the knots on this unit. Knots have not been bleached, not by me. This wig was actually pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and ready to go, you guys. I absolutely love this wig. I did have to pluck it a little bit, but when I say a little bit, I literally mean a little bit. And this wig was already ready to go. Absolutely love the quality of this hair, so I'm really excited to share this wig with you guys if you guys are interested in looking into a wig that's more beginner friendly. So without further ado, let's get started. So really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys the hairline prior to me doing anything to it. It has a nice gradual fade, so that's always a plus. I am going to go ahead and pluck this, but I just wanted to show you guys the hairline prior to me doing anything to it. I do have it wet right now. If you're wondering why it looks like that, I did wet the hair because I am about to begin to pluck. But yeah, the hairline is absolutely gorgeous starting off. It gives you a nice head start as far as like your plucking is concerned, and the knots on this unit are also extremely tiny. So that's always a plus when the knots are small like this, because it'll give you a more natural looking appearance. So you guys, I just tried this unit on and oh my gosh, like I cannot believe what just happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inside construction of this wig. Please keep in mind that I have already plucked this unit. I pressed it out and then I put foundation on the lace. So the lace is covered in foundation, just in random spots. These bigger spots that you see is just because I had a lot of foundation, and I usually like to put those spots in the back because you really just need a light layer of foundation. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. You guys can see like compared to, my hand is a lot lighter than my face anyways. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. You guys can see the color on there. So let me show you guys, because I am so freaking impressed with the construction of this wig. So first off, the knots on this unit were already bleached, you guys. Like, I did not bleach the knots on this unit. The only thing that I did was pluck it, and it was also properly pre-plucked, which makes this unit perfect for beginners and people who are new to wearing wigs, or people who love wearing wigs but don't like to put in a lot of work. So this wig is absolutely amazing. So here's the inside construction. The wig does come with combs. There was 2 combs that were here on the lace, but I cut those out, and then there's still one here at the top, and then there's one here at the bottom. But check this out, you guys. It has an elastic band that you can adjust. You can slide it like this to make it wider, or you can close it in because I have a little bitty peanut head, or you can pull this and adjust it, and it works for everyone. Also, it has little clips right here, as you guys can see, so if you don't want the elastic, you can simply remove it and take it out. So I thought that was great. I am going to use the elastic though today, but I just thought that was such a great addition to the wig because I've never received a wig like this before. Like, this is literally the first of its kind for me. Like, the knots are actually bleached on this unit, which was crazy to me. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on with you guys now. Putting the elastic part first. I am adjusting the straps in the back as well. Because like I said, I have a really small head, you guys, so I like my wigs to be very secure. And also, this is a 360 wig and it's 180% density. It is 18 inches long, but to me this seems a lot longer than 18 inches. It feels more like a 20. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, putting the elastic in the back, and then pull the wig down. And I think that's pretty secure. So I did pre-cut the lace and everything just like how I wanted it, where I wanted it by my ear. I measured all of that stuff just to save myself a lot of time, because editing takes me so long sometimes, like hours. Especially if you have like 2 hours worth of footage that you have to like break down to 15-20 minutes. So I am still gonna need to use Got2b glue, but you guys see the knots on this unit. I did not bleach the knots on here. This is just really how they did it. They bleached the knots on this unit. So this is the first unit that I've ever received with bleach knots. So I'm absolutely impressed by this wig. And the next, I guess the next thing that I have to judge would be the actual hair.
Driver all white, right? Couldn't hit it if you niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never helped your mans, don't talk to me. You should follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the bar. In the sky, I'm a star. I don't fall in love cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt, it's a large. I don't care, I catch a ghost. 2 kids in 2 states, I be doing the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big bang, tight, little bang, bang. Big bang, tight, little bang, bang. Type of money you gon' use, tight. Type of money you gon' use, bang. From the hood, type of money make you stay white. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bang, tight, little bang, big bang, tight, little bang.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know titties shining like a acrylic. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrows. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bank roll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try.
Big bank, tight, little bang, bang. Big bank, tight, little bang, bang.
So real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys how amazing this wig has been bleached, like in every section. Hello, perfect. And then I'll go in another area. And there's just like, it's just perfect throughout this entire wig. Like, I'm just saying. A lot of companies say that they bleach their units, but this is actually a company that bleaches their units. So, hello. Y'all see what's going on. How natural it looks, like all the way up to the root. Let me go to the front of my hair so y'all can see. A part all the way from the front to the back with no baby hair added or anything. So this wig is obviously a winner in my eyes. I've already pressed the roots out on this unit. I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair now. So the hairstyle that I have in mind is like a updo type of thing with a twist. I do updos a lot. It's like one of my favorite types of hairstyles to do. I am gonna leave my edges out.
Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, little bang, bang. Big bank, tight, little bang.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I met Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bums mad again. Back to them, I lead the pack so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank out. Tell tip, rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my like a stank house.
So now that we pretty much have the base of our hair looking like so freaking cute, I'm gonna go ahead and start curling my unit. I am gonna be using this curling iron. This is a 1-inch curling iron. I am thinking about leaving these parts straight, but I am gonna curl it real quick just to see like halfway. not like the whole way up, because I do want these bangs to kind of like sit how they're sitting. So yeah, something like that. And mind you, you don't have to do what I'm doing. Like if you want them to be shorter, if you don't like these little things at all, you don't have to do it. I'm just showing you how I got the look. So yeah, just another little piece down there. So that's like that. So boom. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap this up into a bun. If you wanted to, you can keep it in. Ooh, that might be cute too. Hold up, I might have found a hairstyle that I like better. Y'all know me, I'm always coming up with some other kind of stuff. So that's kind of cute. I actually kind of like that. In order to get this to stay though, I would need to use like a bobby pin. So let me grab a bobby pin real quick.
Wanna know what we say in the club? Hey, baby. White folks, gangsters in the dub. Hey, baby. Stun with a stack of them dubs. Hey, baby. Riding in the lack with a move. Hey, baby. I'm in the club hollering. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm in the club hollering. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm in the club hollering. Now when I holler, hey, baby, I'm finna get my groove on. It's so hot up in the club that I ain't got no shoes on. Holding up a big stack of them hundreds in a rubber band. Girl, don't ask me for no cash, cause I'm not that other man. Everybody tripping cause I'm lipping when I'm walking, and I'm pimping when I'm talking. I don't trick on chickens often. Know them boys in the back, they be rolling up their doty, then they flowing till they choking. That's what got the cane coffee. And when I see a bad chick, I'm hollering out, hey baby, y'all ain't with y'all boyfriends, cause I don't care what they say, and I don't care what he say or she say. I'm in the DJ booth taking pictures with the DJ. You wanna know what we say when clubs get crunk? What? Hey baby, let it play, that's my song, turn it up. Okay, you wanna know what we say when clubs get crunk? What? Hey baby, let it play, that's my song, turn it up. Okay, you wanna know what we say in the club? Hey baby, white folks, gangsters in the dub. Hey baby, stunning with a stack of them dubs. Hey baby, riding in the lack with a move. Hey baby, I'm in the club hollering. Hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, I'm in the club hollering. Hey baby.
Already know how I feel about this hair at this point, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you anyway how I feel about it. So I literally have nothing bad to say about this hair, you guys. I just really like the fact that when they say that the frontal is bleached, that it actually is bleached. And I thought I was tripping out, but it really is. And it looks so natural in person. It looks very natural on camera. And you guys, I'm just so satisfied with my hair. I can't wait to go out and hit these streets. Here is the box that the wig came in. To the inside of the box, your wig will come in a bag, and it also has this net. The other great thing is that they gave me all the details to my wig, which I was so happy about, because I don't have to do all of that searching. Like a lot of times, like I have to do a lot of searching in my emails to remember, oh wait, how much was this? Like it's so much details to it. So, oh, perfect. I'm glad I looked at this. So I said that this unit was 180% density, but it was actually 150% density. It is the natural color. It's silky straight. The cap size is medium, and this is a 360 lace front wig. I also have a coupon code for $10 off of your purchase. It will be listed down below as well. Also get a wig cap, which I'm also a big fan of, because who wants to go buy a wig cap? And it's also convenient because it's just readily available for you. So I love that. So all in all, you guys, that is the packaging of the wig. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this hair tutorial. And before you go, if you guys have any suggestions or any hairstyles or something that you've seen online that you may want me to do or may want me to try out, go ahead and shoot me a direct message on Instagram. I always leave my Instagram listed down below, and I always post it during the video. So definitely send in your suggestions, because I really would like to make some of your hair fantasies come true. Thank you guys, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye!